You might have heard California now faces a once-in-a-lifetime pineapple express. They're calling it an atmospheric river over California. I'm not an expert on such things or even an expert on climate change, but when all the snow melts and then you add to all the water they already have, it's a lot of water, which would be great news for Lake Mead and Lake Powell that have no water in them. You've seen all the pictures about how it's going to dry up and all the boats from World War II that suddenly have been found. It would be great news, all of this water in California, if out of the $1 trillion infrastructure bill that President Biden signed or the tens of billions of dollars California spends on green energy, somebody had built a way, thought ahead perhaps, to get all of the water from California's floods to the lakes that give California drinking water. Professor Thomas Harter is here. He teaches land, air, and water resources at the University of California, Davis. Professor, it's good to see you. Thank you. I understand it is not that simple, but are we on to something that there is this enormous amount of water that could really be used if we thought ahead?
Thank you, Leland, for having me. Yes, we are definitely on to something, and it is on people's mind here in the state. Having been in a drought now for 3 years, in that following another drought of 5 years, not too long ago, having this much of a snowpack and this much rain, that raises the question, can we do something about having this water, put it away for those dry days in the summer for next year if next winter is another drought? Unfortunately, the lakes and the reservoirs we have are now getting to the place where they are full, where we know the snowpack, if it comes down, will fill what's still left for flood control. And so the solution that we're looking at, and the governor today just pronounced an executive order, is to really focus on how we can take this water and bring it onto the land and actually use our underground aquifers that have a lot of storage space, a lot more storage space than our reservoirs have and our lakes have left, to actually squirrel away some of this water for future years.
I'm thinking about California's unused stormwater between 770,000 and 4 million acre feet a year. An acre foot is equal to enough water to cover a football field 1 foot deep. That's just unused stormwater. You said the governor announced this today. Forgive me, but wouldn't it have been better to be talking about this 3 or 15 years ago when we first started doing stories about California water problems?
This has been on the horizon for some time, and we have been looking at ways to do this. There has been a number of agencies that have started to do this. There's agencies that back in January took that water, put it into their canals and let it seep out of their canals. There's farmers that take this water and put it on their fields and into their orchards to replenish the aquifer. At this point, there are questions about water quality. There are questions on infrastructure, and that's something that the state is beginning to engage in. And some of these dollars that you mentioned will be spent on these kind of projects.
No, I get that. And look, it's a great news now that you've got all this water. I just am still sort of befuddled by how they didn't start building the infrastructure and the canals and the systems to move the water more efficiently while they had all this money to build electric charging stations and all sorts of renewable energy for electricity generation. Wouldn't have this been a more immediate problem to solve?
This is a problem that we're tackling heads on. I think it will take some time to figure out who gets how much water and how to divide it up. There are definitely administrative hurdles to take. There's competition for this water between the environment, between urban areas, and between the agricultural food production sector that we have here in the state. But I believe that we will greatly expand on the capacity that we have. Clearly, this is an example of, this year is a good example, and hopefully will not be forgotten very quickly, so we can continue to engage in these efforts and make it happen for the next time.
Thanks for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to subscribe. Click the red button to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.